That's what I'm trying to say, alright? Swipe up, subscribe now, my logo. I am clean. Oh! Alright, so I'm pretty sure you heard of it before on TikTok, how to make your own DIY. Black light, alright? So what is a black light? You're able to see stains on the sheet, stains on the toilet, or just very vibrant colors that glow in the dark, alright? Yes, in the dark, all by using your flashlight on your phone. Android doesn't really matter. Anything that involves a flashlight, really. So you can use a whole flashlight if you want to. It will work even better. But for the broke people like me, we're gonna use the phone camera flashlight because we can't afford an actual flashlight. So what you're gonna need is this little white dot or a flashlight on your phone and these two Sharpies, alright? So I don't know what color they're specifically called, but this is the color, alright? Simple as that, alright? And then you're gonna want this blue one right here, right? So you want to get a dark blue and a very, very dark purple, alright? And from there, you want to get this type of tape specifically because this is the clear tape, alright? You don't want that filtered tape. This is completely clear tape, alright? The clearer the tape is, the better, right? Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so once you have your phone, just simply lay down right there where it's occupied by itself, and you want to go ahead and just grab your tape, alright? So we are going to use 3 pieces, so if you want, go ahead and just pull those 3 pieces, but I don't recommend it. Anyways, get your piece and stick it on top of the camera, alright? And then you want to grab your blue marker, okay? Grab this blue marker, put the cap off, take the cap off, goddamn, my grammars. But anyways, you want to go ahead and just color in this this white little dot, alright? So you want to just go like this, you know, just do your thing, give it a little tap so ink could be left on it. I recommend this tap technique, it really works, honestly. Give it little taps. There you go. Alright, it looks alright, about right. Just leave it open because you're gonna use it one more time. Get another piece of clear tape, make sure it's not like that, you know, not see-through. You want to make sure it's see-through. Anyways, grab that blue marker one more time for me. Boom, simple as that. Now you're done with this blue marker, alright? Now, get another piece of tape. Boom. Take it out. Put it on your camera. Simple as this. Boom. And last color, dark purple. You want to go and just color this in one more time for me. Simple as that. So you can see it's getting darker and darker by the minute, alright? So make sure you're giving them little taps. The tap technique, again, very advanced technique. Boom. Alright, now you're done. Give it another tape so it won't, you know, be infected or it won't smudge off or anything. So top it off with another piece of tape. And now it is time to test it, alright? So I discovered that it only works with neon colors, alright? So neon blue, neon yellow, neon anything will work with this black light, alright? Because I can show you right now. I could take you to the restroom and there will not be any stains. It's either I'm a really clean person or this thing doesn't work and there's a bunch of stains on my toilet. Anyways, let me take you over there. Okay, y'all, so this is the bathroom tour. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn off the lights, and yes, I poop with a whole laptop right next to me just so I can edit a video for y'all, right? So pull out the phone, you know, turn on the black light, boom, and look, there's absolutely nothing. What I'm telling you is nothing on here, bro. Like, come on now. I am clean. Oh, that's just the water. That's water, y'all. False alarm, false alarm. I was about to say, damn, what's on the damn floor? But anyways, yeah, let's try somewhere else. That's what I'm trying to say, alright? Swipe up, subscribe now, my logo, my ugly logo. Few art stuff I drew. And yeah, so you can actually tell the difference, alright? It looks a lot more better in person. On camera, it doesn't look all that great. But on person, it works fantastic, alright? So, it looks pretty nice. I'm not complaining. It looks pretty freaking nice, alright? I'm not even gonna lie. But look, see? With it, without. With it, without. With it, without. With it. Alright, so as you can see, the black light with the phone does not work with human liquids, if you know what I mean, and other stuff like that, alright? But it does work with neon colors, alright? Like I said, who's calling me? I don't want to talk. No. Anyways, enjoy. Have fun. I'm gonna go ahead and just wash my face. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. See you guys next time. But peace.